Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply increase transaction limit on Yono SBI. So watch the video to the very end because don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that's what helps me out. So let's get started. So to increase the transaction limit in Yono SBI, follow the simple steps. So let's get started with that. So the first thing is to increase limit via your Yono SBI app. So open the Yono SBI app and log into your account. Then go to the service request or manage limit, which is under the profile settings. Then select change daily transaction limit for UPI, NEFT/RTGS or IMPS or fund transfer. Then enter the new limit and confirm. Once you do that, then verify using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Then after that, you can now increase limit via the SIB internet banking. So to do that, you have to log on to the SIB net banking, which is online.sib.com. Then after that, go to the profile, then click on divine limit for transactions. Then click the type of transaction and enter a new limit. Confirm using the OTP or profile password. Or after that, then you can also contact the SIB customer support. So call the SIB customer support care at 1-800-425-3800, or you can also visit the nearest SIB branch with your ID proof and request a transaction limit increase. And that's how you can simply increase your transaction limit in Yono SBI. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.